SARS-CoV-2 Kappa variant. Kappa variant is a variant of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. It is one of the three sublineages of Pango lineage B1.617. The SARS-CoV-2 Kappa variant is also known as lineage B1.617.1 and was first detected in India in December 2020. By the end of March 2021, the Kappa subvariant accounted for more than half of the sequences being submitted from India. On 1 April 2021, it was designated a variant under investigation VU-21 APR-1 by Public Health England. Mutations. The Kappa variant has three notable alterations in the amino acid sequences, all of which are in the virus's spike protein code. The three notable substitutions are L452R, F484Q, 681R, L452R. The substitution at position 452, a leucine to arginine substitution. This exchange confers stronger affinity of the spike protein for the AC-ethyl receptor, along with decreased recognition capability of the immune system. F484Q. The substitution at position 484, a glutamic acid to glutamine substitution. This alteration confers the variant stronger binding potential to angiotensin-converting enzyme 2, as well as better ability to evade hosts' immune systems. 681R. The substitution at position 681, a proline to arginine substitution. The European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control Act also lists a fourth spike mutation of interest, D614G. This is a substitution at position 614 and aspartic acid to glycine substitution. Other variants which have the D614G mutation include the beta and delta variants, and the mutation is associated with increased infectivity. The two other mutations which can be found closer to either end of the spike region are T95I and Q1071H. History. International detection. The Kappa variant was first identified in India in December 2020. By 11 May 2021, the WHO Weekly Epidemiological Update had reported 34 countries with detections of the subvariant. However, by 25 May 2021, the number of countries had risen to 41. As of 19 May 2021, the United Kingdom had detected a total of 418 confirmed cases of the SARS-CoV-2 Kappa variant. On 6 June 2021, a cluster of 60 cases identified in the Australian city of Melbourne were linked to the Kappa variant. Community transmission. A Public Health England technical briefing paper of 22 April 2021 reported that 119 cases of the subvariant had been identified in England, with a concentration of cases in the London area. Of the 119 cases, 94 had an established link to travel, 22 cases were still under investigation, but the remaining 3 cases were identified as not having any known link to travel. On 2 June, The Guardian reported that at least 1 in 10 of the cases in the outbreak in the Australian state of Victoria were due to contact with strangers, and that community transmission was involved with clusters of the Kappa variant. However, infectious disease expert Professor Greg Dorr said that the Kappa variant was behaving the same as we've seen before in relation to other variants in Australia. Vaccine efficacy. Vaccines are effective against the Kappa variant, albeit to a lower extent than the original strain. A study conducted by Oxford University in June 2021 said that the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine and the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccines were effective against the Delta and Kappa variants, suggesting that the current vaccine, 1. Covaxin, was also found to be effective against the B1617.1 Kappa variant double mutant variant as it did for other variants. 2. Moderna's COVID vaccine was also found to be effective against the Kappa variant with a 3.4-fold reduction in neutralization. 3. Statistics.